Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. Time to clock in. It's 5:26 a.m. April 12th, 2023. We'll see what we see out here. Highs are here. It's looking real bullish. Broke out of this area. Pushed up, came back. Could be coming to test these highs. Getting a huge, well, trying to get another strong candle up. Maybe too soon for this, but let's see what it looks like. Put this on both swings. Yeah. That's how it's looking. It's a little early, but this range could hold. Man, it's a nice candle. Push up, pulled back, getting a huge candle back out. Again, we could definitely be trying to test these highs here. That's a pretty nice candle. Didn't get the best entry there, but we're in. 3 minutes to tell us. What we're expecting is to try to retest these new highs over here, or make new highs over here. That's what we're hoping. I thought I clicked that button a little bit better. Push up. Closing your top. Great close. Let's go. Last candle. Let's go. Seconds. Push up. Push up. Push up. Woo! We skated. Hey guys, JD here. Unfortunately, I forgot to hit the button on my last two trades. I lost one by a hair because I hit the button a little late, and then I won one by a hair. So we went 2 out of 3 today. So it is a profitable day. It is a winning day. Those are always nice. So sorry I forgot to hit the record button. So you guys wouldn't get to see it. But again, we had a winning day. We always like that. So I'm using PocketOption as my broker. I'll put a link in the description. Also, the course is out. Check it out. And hey, this is JD. And as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye-bye.
We would like to thank you for tuning in to another Increase episode with JD. If you want to learn how to price action trade, please visit www.jdhyder.com and you will find his brand new course, IOTS, Price Action Trading System. We thank you again, and as always, we wish you increase on the Sutton.